Okay, last question is from Eitan. You are now unmuted.
Thank you so much, Attorney General. Just one more question for you. And I know that with so much of the education, well, there's been so much from the Trump administration in recent weeks, other drama about just the whole trans athletes, transgender athletes, and whether they should participate in women's sports and girls' sports. My only question is this at all related to that? Or based on the 3 sentence email you got, that does not appear to be the case, and that could be a separate thing we see down the road where they're going to take more funds later on. See what I'm asking there? Does that
I
make sense?
do. Yeah, the sort of vague, conclusory 3 sentence, quote unquote, reason, and it completely fails to meet the standards of an appropriate justification. Doesn't state that it's about any transgender athlete policy. It's very vague and legally inadequate to justify the actions here, and so that's why we're going to court. But separately, we do expect and we do have uh, cases with the federal government when it comes to the inclusive policies that we have in California, laws that we have on the books to provide an opportunity for athletes to participate in sports consistent with their gender identity. And so we will stand up for rights, protections, the law, the Constitution in those cases as appropriate. But I don't think this case is about transgender athletes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was the last question.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, colleagues, and thank you for joining us today. We appreciate the time and the opportunity to talk about this case with you, and we look forward to the next one. Thank you.